people, welcome back to Unicorn Watch. This is RP. Now, many of you know, started the unicorn business, right? First them say it couldn't work, right? Then them say it start work, and now them a follow. This story right here, so it stink a unicorn urine. Stink a unicorn feces. But maybe people are buying it, who knows? After all, right, I'm just a little YouTuber, bad man scammer, so maybe, right, I'm just not, educated for edification enough to understand what I'm going on. You might have seen reports in the media. Deputy Chief of Corrections, Reverend Orville story come out say him hang himself. Take him own life. Now, me think say me bare face and dry eye with my unicorn business, but them man take it to a whole different level. The man hang himself. First of all, let's get this straight. If it wasn't for that video, right, saying the man, right, is hanging from a tree with a wire on his neck beside the vehicle, and there is irrefutable, right, evidence. I saw the word go. If irrefutable, can somebody who studied criminology in Canada, preferably Winnipeg, confirm if irrefutable is the word? Right. But there's solid evidence that the man, right, never dead, never car crash, never fling through the windscreen and broke his neck and mash up and his body twist up. There's a wire around his neck. All of a sudden, right, now we are here to the autopsy say, no man a strangulation him hang himself. No foul play. All along they were saying accident, even though them go down there, because he said the man have a wire around his neck. The very first day they should have told the Jamaican public there is a wire around that man's neck. This is no accident. But they were pushing that narrative until they couldn't push it. Because now, if they come out and say, no man, I just saw an accident and him put back on him, the neck broke, then, we have to go start release, right, certain things to the public. Right, when I'm telling you, said, it's there. Right. Hardcore evidence. The man is hanging from a tree, he's sitting upright. That is why the drone, it look like a spotty stand upside of the vehicle. Right. So how do you, right, sell unicorn during time? First I try this accident, but then one little bad man YouTuber, right, go drop it out they say. The man have wire around his neck side of the vehicle. Clearly, right, you can't run it that story no more because if an accident, or wire reach around his neck. Right. So what you say? Oh, actually yeah man, wire around his neck yes, but I didn't put it there. So let's explore this theory. Let's explore. I guess this is their new hypothesis. That's how the word go. Right. Canadian crew link up, let me know if I saw the word go. Because we know when it comes on to the the big words and the brightness, you can't touch Canada. Let's look into it, shall we? Let's go on a journey through space, time, and unicorn meat. So, Reverend Orville in the Mullines Road with his family, in left out, say I'm gonna meeting. Right. People say must come a meeting. Somehow, him reach a spur tree. Spur tree, remember, Mullines Road, the man left out. I soon come and gonna a meeting. Reach a spur tree. Over the precipice, a spur tree. So, him go over there. Remember, the man want to take him life because he must say him himself. So we know his goal is to take him on alive. So There is nowhere between Mullines Road and Spur Tree this man could have taken him life. There is no tree, right? There is no gully, nothing, right? He couldn't even find one grill, right? He couldn't even find one grill for one house for himself. Instead, him say, you know what, I'm gonna set off all the way to Spur Tree. Yeah, man. After driving for hours from Mullines Road to reach Spur Tree, him say, oh, here is a good little stretch, we can go over here so now. Right. He then says, goodbye cruel world, and I guess turn the vehicle straight over there. Because we still want to know how the vehicle was, you know. Because he could have just parked the vehicle and go and go hang himself. I mean, we still don't know. I mean, Spur Tree must have a special place in his heart. This is where I want to end it. So he could just park his vehicle, right, and go down to the bush and go put up himself on one tree. Instead, vehicle go over gully, flip 100 times. Right, the man shirt still tucked in his pants. Right, so this is what they want you to, right, accept. Him go over the precipice. Right. And again, because he want to take him life, we have to assume say him do it on purpose. So him fly over the gully, roll 100 times, him go look and realize, sir, rotted, me still alive. Chow man, Toyota build a hell of a car. Oh well, at least I have this wire. Let me step out of the vehicle, right, and just go over there to this tree, right? I say, yeah, man. Right, this is, boy, as my granny that say, if you no laugh, yeah, go ball. So after surviving one hell of a crash, with him shirt still tucked in, neat as ever, tied nice round him neck, right, the man look round and cuss, right, and say, Toyota, you have failed me. Right. I think it was a Toyota. Right. You have failed me, right, because I try any time. So you know what? Since you failed me, this piece of wire right there, so right, this convenient piece of wire I'm gonna stop the travel around with. Right, I'm gonna just put it on tree over here, sir, on the passenger side. And he said, alright, the gully never take me out, but no, this definitely gonna do it. Goodbye, cruel world. And I said, then come find him. I don't even know if it starts with that. The man want ended from Mullines Road. Remember, you know, the man left out the Sunday, but him never ended, right, on his way to town. Him reach town, right, and then head back to Spur Tree to go end this because Spur Tree is so special to him. Right, Orville must have a deep, that corner, right, in Spur Tree must be the first place him ever get one hug or one kiss. I don't know, that corner have a special place to him because that's where he wanted to end. Let me say, going over the precipice wasn't enough. Right, he got out of the vehicle upset. He was like, you know what, since this vehicle here is built so well, that I can't even use that in my life, I'm just use this piece of wire here, man. I don't know who Orville more upset. I don't know which big can him crush. I don't know what him know. Right, but I know. Right. Them go through a whole heap of shame to put out this story just to make it look like him take him on a lie, because this right here so is not even a good cover up story. I mean, the story is absurd. I don't get it. I mean, you have enough cover up story with, you know, you said that sound really, I mean, that sound really believable still. That's only, but this one right here so ridiculous. Remember, they were running with accident even after them see the man, you know, with the wire on him neck, you know. They were running with accident. They even come out and put out. That's why I tell you, say, you know, I'm just a little bad man YouTuber. Right, but I tell you, when I hear what name, your favorite CEO of the year, Hardin, when Hardin you come out and say, leave things to the proper journalists them, me did have to laugh because if it was left up to proper journalists, this a story I would be. Right? 2 days story, and then with a just accident kill him and it gone. Because remember, we see come out of the media say, oh, we need to do something about that corner and put some railings because see this accident took this man's life, and if there were railings, there was a whole, even the media that is unicorn business, the media, I say, oh no man, this a corner here, them should have put on a railing because if the railing was there then it wouldn't kill the man, and this shows we need some more safety, and this is rubbish. Right? You tell me say proper journalists, you hear that the story there, right? And today, before they go do some real investigation, I talk about If we could put on a railing around Spur Tree corner, as if an accident. So now all of a sudden, he had nothing to do with an accident. So guess what? See, since he supposedly hang himself, then that the whole, diatribe about, putting railings and safety and all them things there, which is a valid point, but not for this case. Because if that was because that should have been talked about before Orville Moore go over there. Now you're furthering the unicorn meat. Now you're showing the public, say, yeah man, you see that one accident, man, if there was something in place. No. Right. That conversation should have been had before Orville Moore go over there. Not after, because Orville Moore going over there never have nothing to do with an accident and not safety and like that. But again, remember the experts them and the proper journalists them and the people them who with the big titles them say and take him one life. So it's up to you to decide who you want to work with. Things like this annoy me. Every time people tell me, oh my god, look, this is so cool. Look at this celebrity in Iron Man. That's all the public care about. When make people take on them for fool. And as I said, the thing them wanna, the so-called theories them wanna come up with are foolishness. And the thing them wanna see, when they not see. Because if somebody go come out come tell you it's Orville Moore, take him on alive, that means them things ain't nonsense. That means them sit down in a room and say them people ain't nonsense so we can put this out. The man turn over Spur Tree, roll 100 times, come out of a vehicle and tie one wire with him. No, sir. No. Unicorn must sell, but not so. Right, so when the Arab public start showing that they should be respected, they will be. Right, because as I said, them defend and ball. Right, and say a loyalty upon obvious thief, obvious criminals, obvious gang members. Right. Then cuss and ball injustice and blackwood for obvious, right, man we do things openly. Right. So the people them see that and say them people not sense. So we can feed them any foolishness so on. Because somebody can't say that man right there so. A clansman, somebody can't say that man right there so. Right, a ripper bull. Right, if them people if them mind of them don't forget say when they run a big campaign to free Jack Uriah. Right. They don't forget. They will like if them people can look on the facts of the Jack Uriah case and say free Jack Uriah, then we can tell them say Orville Moore kill himself. If we can tell them say Patrick Bill in a house and gunshot fire, right, I'm not wake up. Man dead in a house and when we wake up in gonna see. And then on top of that, no charges, no drop nothing, we can tell them say Orville Moore kill himself. If them favorite DJ who literally document his own crimes back and forth, finally get catch for one out of the many, right? And them say, no man, I set him up because then we can tell them say Orville Moore kill himself. So the big wigs them know the public and study the public. And them not ready to know. Right? Them have the public as simpletons, so we can't tell them anything. Right. So the official storyline, Orville Moore take him on life. That's what we're working with. That's the story right there, so. That's what the experts say. That's what the people with the courses and the degrees say. Right, so, I just said there. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.